Hello everyone, this is Yash and welcome back to CS Explained. And I know that you love talking about AI agents, agentic AIs, and AI workflows. There are a lot of things that you love talking about. And I know that you want to be an AI engineer. And this video is all about that. So how to be an AI engineer, there's this short roadmap for that. So those who are not looking for AI agent can skip this video, or like if you want to learn the AI agent without seeking for the job, you are just curious about AI agents and you just want an experience in it, you can bear with me for a couple of more minutes. So this is just a quick roadmap of becoming an AI engineer, and if you have seen all of those things, now you can just stop watching the video because this is all the summary of this video. And now from here onwards I will be explaining the parts of this, and if you got the point you can just skip. If you want me to explain this in detail, you can be here. So why data structures and algorithm is there in the week 1 to 5? Why I'm putting stress on DSA to learn the AI? Because it's not necessary for a lot of people say that okay, machine learning can be learned by not like if you have not learned the DSA, you can learn machine learning and AI. But the thing is, if you don't know how to optimize something, if you don't know how to optimize your code, if you don't know how to optimize any particular problem or a particular code, you will not be able to get into machine learning, because there are a lot of algorithms involved in the machine learning itself. So there are a lot of sortings, there are a lot of data sets involved, and you have to apply those algorithms over here. That's why I'm telling you, do DSA. If you are not doing the DSA in depth, at least do up to certain point where you know the gist of optimizing the code, algorithms, and all of that. So after that, like, you can start doing the machine learning. Or what you can do is you can combine those. If you are a genius, you can combine those things to just shorten out your period of time of learning. That's what I could have done if someone has mentored me. So I would have combined DSA and machine learning to shorten out the time of learning. I would have surely gone for DSA, because all the algorithms applies to the machine learning. After that, like, I would have gone for GenAI implementation. In this implementation, I tell you to just go for OpenTorch, TensorFlow. There are tons of libraries. Take them out, take the models, train them, use them, create applications. Use OpenAI models to create applications. Create wrappers, create tons of applications. So like after 12 to 16 weeks, you will get a gist of the AI implementations and how the machine learning and AI can be implemented in real time. So this is the whole roadmap, and now you know like why I am recommending you the DSA to you. The machine learning and AI, you should learn up to a certain level. Then you should start you implementing it inside applications and websites. So let's talk about how much you have to learn these three things. So data structures and algorithms, you can do up to certain patterns, trees. So wherever you reach link tree inside this, you can start machine learning side by side, and to complete this very earlier. And now after that, like after completing machine learning and AI, do this up to a certain level. Don't get too much involved. Don't start reading research papers. Don't just go for the Karpathy lectures and start creating your own LLM. Do this up to a certain level, then then jump to GenAI and implementations, because this is important. If you are not able to implement this, you can never be a good AI engineer, because they are using all the resources that learned machine learning algorithms, all they learned into a product. That's our main goal. So this is the small roadmap. Let me know what do you think about it. If you found this helpful, you can just give a hit to the subscribe button so that I can come up with more such videos. Bye bye, and let's see you in another video.